Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So it looks like BBIG had a major spike today and continued on up going to extended hours. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow. What exact indicators would I be looking for to have this continuation and possible major breakout and possible squeeze play, as BBIG is very heavily shorted. And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump on this one. So I'm going to go over BBIG with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's been playing out throughout the day. And then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for as a possible continuation. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned BBIG today on that volume spike at $8.80, jumping all the way up over $11.40 going 6 extended hours, looking to see if we can continue here. We mentioned CLOV yesterday in a video, looking to see if we can continue on past the 50 moving average with the 20, and we sure enough did, and we continued on up going to today. We also did mention looking to see if we can break over this $10 mark, and sure enough we did, breaking all the way up and testing that $11 mark, looking to see if we can continue. We did go over that video in the last video if you guys want to see how CLOV might play out. And also we mentioned SOAC today, testing new highs at $11.50, jumping all the way up to $13 on that breakout as well. So if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on BBIG, we have been continuing on up with the 20 moving average above the 50 here, looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum going to extended hours. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, that's exactly what did happen. As you guys can see, we broke all the way up to around $11.40, coming back down around $10.80, looking to see if we can continue on past this $11.40 mark. So as you guys can see, again, we did get that rejection to the upside, and we are looking to see if we can bounce off the 20 moving average going to tomorrow and possibly going to pre-market. We could have a major spike. We're going to see what happens going to pre-market, but I'm going to back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall on this continuation. Again, we mentioned BBIG on Sunday, and one of the things I mentioned was that I liked how we did not look like as much of a pump and dump, and sure enough, we did continue on up today. So as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we were bouncing off the 20 moving average, looking to see if we can curl back up here on the 4-hour, and that's exactly what did happen. As you guys can see, we did come back down, and we did test the 20 moving average, and we curled up going to today, and that's exactly what gave us that momentum. So going to tomorrow, in my opinion, to get that continuation and get that momentum, we are going to be looking at the MACD here. As you guys can see, this is our buy pressure. As you guys can see, we did have that nice continuation going to today, but however, to get that continuation, as you guys can see, we have a lot of sell pressure and that decrease in sell pressure. You guys can see we have those white shaded lines, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure going to tomorrow. So in my opinion, increasing in buy pressure and just going into buy pressure would be very key for us to have this continuation. But to get that strong momentum that we were looking for, of course, would be to break above our previous major spike that we did have on this buy pressure. And again, we are coming up to test that resistance that we did have previously at about $12. So in my opinion, BBIG definitely on the watch going to pre-market. If we can hold over $11 going to pre-market, then we could have some momentum. But in my opinion, if we can hold over our new highs here at $12, then that would be a lot of strong momentum going to open. We could even possibly spike all the way up to $15, in my opinion, with BBIG. So again, BBIG, we're going to definitely see what happens going to pre-market. We could have a spike going to pre-market, or we could possibly spike back down. But again, BBIG, in my opinion, definitely on the watch to get this increase in buy pressure. If we do not get that increase in buy pressure, then we will get that rejection to the upside here around $12 and get that continuation on down. But again, BBIG definitely on the watch for this continuation, as BBIG is very heavily shorted, over 40%. We're going to see if we can turn that into a possible major move up. But again, BBIG, nice run on the day. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been in the comment section, all of you instables that have been showing me love every single day, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless every one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.